classic.
Love the bone. Any the run. Money for sure they enter. But darling before popping again.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Laifa and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video, as you can tell from the title already, is a prom get ready with me. Hair, makeup, outfits, everything on point. So I never had my own prom. I went to a single-sex boarding school in Benin, Edo State, Nigeria, so I didn't get a chance to experience the whole prom, getting all glammed up, having a prom date. I didn't get to experience all that. I wish I did actually, but anyways, today I get to pretend like I'm having my own prom. So I love the way this whole look turned out. Hair on point, makeup on point, everything snatched. I really like how this look turned out. So the hair I'm wearing in this video is from Isee Hair. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. This is their Peruvian body wave. Do you guys see this hair? What? The hair looks really nice, and it curled really well. I'm wearing 22 inches and the frontal is 20 inches. You guys know I'm team frontal. I'm so obsessed with frontal, the look it gives, you know. Everything is just, do you guys see? I didn't even lay this down on my head. Okay, I just laid this bit down, just this edge. That's the only part I laid down. I'm really not into laying my frontals anymore because it is a lot of work. But yeah, I didn't lay this one down and it still looks really good, doesn't it? My jewelry, beautiful bracelet, earrings, and it's Nigerian made, guys. And the necklace, do you guys see how gorgeous this necklace is? I'm not naked, guys. I know it looks like I am, but I'm not. So the dress I'm wearing is a red color, and you guys know red goes with green so well, so the contrast is just beautiful. Like, I feel like a princess right now. I just feel pretty, basically. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this whole look, keep on watching.
Contour and my brows off camera, because you guys have seen me do this a million and one times, but I'm going to link it in the description box below. My foundation, highlights and contour routine and my brow routine. Now I'm just putting LA Girl concealer in Chestnut all over my eyelids, and I'm setting it with a setting powder. Now I'm just placing a little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes to catch any eyeshadow fallout when I start applying the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered, and I'm using this shade right here with a blending brush. I'm just applying it in a sweeping motion. Next, I'm taking this dark brown shade and I'm going into the outer corner of my eye to deepen my crease. Next, I'm taking this black shade. This color is so pigmented, like I didn't expect it to be so pigmented. Like, just one swatch is what I'm using, guys. Just one swatch. Like, I didn't have to go back into the palette, and I wasn't expecting it to be so pigmented, so I went in with a lot. So I had to blend it in really well. I'm getting stronger step by step. And I went back into that dark brown shade I used earlier to further blend that black eyeshadow. From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe. Taking my middle finger, I'm applying NYX Jumbo Pencil as my eyeshadow base. And this is the shade Milk. Above the sky, we are heroes tonight. Next, I'm taking a very precise angled brush and I'm using this to cut my crease. I really take my time with this so that my crease is as sharp as I want it to be. To start off with the main color. I'm using this shade right here. It's like a reddish eyeshadow and it's really pigmented. It's a pigmented shade, it's not matte. So I'm just applying this towards the outer corner of the eyes.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky.
Next, I'm going into this bronze gold eyeshadow shade as the second eyeshadow. I'm blending it and applying at the same time so that there's no demarcation between the red shade and the bronze gold shade, so you guys can see the way I'm applying it.
All around the globe, try to protect your soul.
Next, I'm going into this gold shade, kind of like a champagne gold, and I'm going to be placing this in the inner corner of my eyes.
We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
And I went back into that black shade I used earlier to blend it into the reddish shade so that there's no demarcation between the two colors. Now I'm taking this ColourPop liquid eyeshadow in the shade Walk of Fame, and I'm just going to be placing this with a really small angled brush on the crease where I cut the crease. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going into eyeliner, and I'm using a gel liner from KARITE. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And going into my lashes, I'm sorry guys, I do not remember what lashes these are. They are an old pair of lashes that I just popped on, and I really liked it because it went really well with this eyeshadow look. It wasn't covering the eyeshadow, you could still see through the lashes and see what eye look I had on. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I went back into my face to finish up. I'm just using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder in dark deepest to dust off the excess powder, and I'm also going to be applying that same powder all over my face.
Only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying.
To bring the whole look together, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus setting spray to spray all over my face so everything can set and sink in and look skin-like. Finishing off my eyes, I'm going into that NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm applying it on my waterline. I'm being careful not to touch my contact, because if I dare touch my contact, that's it. It is coming off. So after I finished doing that, I went back into that dark brown shade I used earlier. So I'm going to be applying this underneath the white eyeliner. I remember in those days I used to apply white eyeliner just like that, and I used to look like I was sick. But when you do this, it makes it look so much better. So I'm also going to go into the black eyeshadow I used earlier to further darken my lower lash line. Next, I'm going into mascara to apply on my bottom lashes. This makes all the difference, guys. You want to take your time and really pick every strand of hair.
Ready to explore right up.
Now, time for my favorite part, highlighter. I'm using the YANGABEAUTY highlighter in the shade PORKISH. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I keep using the same product in every video, but when I like something, I use the hell out of that product.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are here.
When you're done, you want to go back into your powder brush with no product on it and blend the highlighter very well so there are no harsh lines. And I also like to go back into setting spray so the highlighter sinks in. For my hair, like I said earlier, I didn't lay it down. I just put it on my head. I didn't put any glue. Okay, I put a little bit of got2b glue on the sides. This hair was really fast to curl. Like, I didn't even waste time curling this hair. Like I said earlier, this hair is from Isee Hair. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. I really liked the frontal of this hair. Normally some frontals are really scanty, but the hair on this frontal was really full, so I really liked that. So I'm curling this hair away from my face, and then I'm putting it up with some bobby pins. When you curl your hair and you put it up and let it set, it makes the curls last longer and it makes the curls look better. So I'm just going to be repeating the same step everywhere.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying.
Now that I'm done curling it, I allowed it to set for a few minutes before I started taking off the bobby pins. Then after taking off the bobby pins, I'm just going to be using my fingers to comb through it. But later on I realized that I would like it better if I used a brush, because the curls were looking too defined, and I like when my curls are a bit laid back, like I wasn't trying so hard, you know. To finish off the makeup, I went into the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut to line my lips. Then for the liquid lipstick I used the Huda Beauty Lippy in the shade Trendsetter. After which I went ahead to apply this lip gloss in Gleam from Beauty by AD.
So that's it for this look, guys. Do you guys see how everything turned out nice? Like the hair came out really nice. I wasn't really sure how to style the hair. Initially I thought I should style the hair and put it in an updo, but after curling the hair the way it was looking, I didn't want to mess it up. What do you guys think? Should I have made this hair into an updo? High school girls, what do you guys think? Should I have taken this hair off? Anyways, guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you were able to pick a thing or two from my own prom get ready with me to incorporate it in your own prom get ready with me. And if you guys don't know already, I'm a makeup artist. I do makeup for other people. So if you want me to do your makeup for your prom, I'm going to leave all my details in the description box below. But if you want to do it yourself, you can definitely do it yourself. You can incorporate some of the things that I did in this video and tag me. I would want to see what you guys looked like for your prom. That's it for this video. You guys already know I love you. We're going to get to 50K in a very short time, hopefully. Anyways, we're approaching 50K and I'm so happy for all the support. I really appreciate all the support and love that I've gotten since I started my YouTube channel. It's been overwhelming. It's been beautiful emails. You guys are the best. So I love you guys, and please, if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.